Hello everyone, how are we all doing? Today's a good day because got this BMW 3 Series in today for an ambient light install. It's a beautiful little 3 Series. In fact, it's got quite a decent spec on it already. The car's all black with a black interior, so black on black is always cool. But it's got like some nice speakers as well. So I think it's got the Harman Kardon system. So it's got Harman Kardon system, and it's got the digital dash, which looks well, actually I'm quite surprised with how good it looks. So today what I'm going to be looking at doing is the install on throughout this car. From what I can assume, it's going to be pretty similar to the install that I did on the BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe, which is basically pretty much the same car. Just obviously the roof lining and stuff like that is a little bit different. So what I'm going to look at doing first is dismantling the car. So that involves taking apart the dashboard and the center console basically, as well as removing all the door cards. Fairly simple and easy process once you've done it a few times like I have. But yeah, I'll go through a few bits and pieces, but mostly I'll leave it on hyperlapse just so you can all watch me, and if there's anything that I need to point out, I'll point it out to you all. So let's go. So everyone, as it stands at the moment, as you've seen, I've taken apart the center console, and I've basically got to do this piece now. So removed the heater controls and stuff. They're just held in by clips. You just got to kind of use a little pick tool or screwdriver and stuff, get those out. And then from here, if I use the pick tool again, I'll be able to take out the original ambient lighting. So you just got to kind of gently pop this old one out. It would have been perfect to be able to reuse this whole thing, but it's not unfortunately possible. But there you go, the original one is out. I'm going to keep this somewhere safe, and then basically I'll be feeding the ambient light tube through this bit like I did with the 4 Series as well. So I'll keep this safe and protected. Up next, door cards removal, and then we can start wiring everything back up. So I want to show you all something that I'm working on with this car that I'm basically going to be looking at doing with the 4 Series. So I'm not actually sure which video is going to get released first, the 4 Series Grand Coupe or this one, because I'm basically going to be changing it on the 4 Series Grand Coupe. I'm going to be in touch with the owner because, yeah, we thought that we can get a bit more better lighting out of it. So I've set this up. So we've got 2 sets of lights at the moment. One is the original one. When I connect this light onto it, it's not as bright as it was on the 4 Series, but you can kind of see it there. It is a little bit brighter, but not what we want it to be, compared to when I change it over to this one. Now that's much brighter. The light is properly going through it all. So you can see just over here, I've got the other tube now coming this way. Yeah, I've got to fed it all the way underneath there. So I'm just showing you all what it basically looks like. You can see the original one just in through here. This is the new one, and it's going to run underneath it. So you just got to slide it through underneath and it'll wedge yourself in. I'm just going to put an end cap on there as well. And just, yeah, there's a little bit of a hole over here that you can just slide it and nip it under. So it follows the original one lighting. Now I've tapped into that. I've tapped into the red and white and the brown. That's a live for the orange color or amber color, and then you got the earth as well. So here we are. I've drawn in a hole and glue and taped in the door handle light. Draw the hole in for the door bin light. Now I just got to connect all these up with the main connector box, which is this one just here, which has the 3 points. So 1, 2, 3, all connected up. I'm just gonna stick it probably just over here and then connect this all back up. Like I said before, it looks a lot brighter right now, and it's quite an easy install, so it's worth doing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually finished with the car right now. I thought I'd skip through it because it's quite similar to what the 4 Series was like. A couple of differences that I did was, instead of using the original strip for the ambient lighting, I've added the other one as well, so you can just about see it, but it's not very obvious. But I think it's time to do some shots with the lights off. Let's go. Right, I think it's time to give the car back to the owner now. So it's actually a lovely car, and it's a lovely idea behind today, which was, it's a gift from the wife to the husband. It's his birthday coming up, so she said, I'm just going to be at my parents' house and stuff for the whole day while I get the car done. But he doesn't know anything, so it's a nice surprise. Great looking car, honestly. I'm really happy with the results. So everyone, as always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please consider subscribing to the channel to see more from me in regards to installs or any other car stuff. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.